Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to talk about the world first monthly salary for funded traders, guys. Okay? So, but before that, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for review and entertainment only. So, always do your own research before doing anything else because crypto has a risk, guys. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is the ATS funded, the only prop firm globally offering a guaranteed monthly salary equals to 1% of funded capital, paid regardless of profitability and in addition to profit splits, transforming trading into a stable carrier model, guys. It has a real market infrastructure with regulated STP broker, guys. Now you're seeing the website. So get funded fast, don't risk your money, guys. They also have choose your challenge right here. Okay. So 10K, 25, 50, 100, and 200K, guys. Okay. So this is the ATPS funded. You can choose whatever plan or challenge you want to choose, guys. Okay. They have traders payout over here, payout statistics, top traders, 4,800, 4,160, guys. Okay. So unlock a new level of trading. You can start a challenge, choose a funding option tailored to you, and prove your consistency through a fair evaluation. And then the funded base, after completing the challenge, guys, you unlock a funded account and keep up to 95% of all profits you generate. And also, you get your payout with Rode, your profits starting from 7 days after your first trade with an instant payout, guys. So why trader choose ATS funded? It has powered by pure market, trade 200 plus crypto pairs, multi-market trading, and flexible payouts with triple payday, 5th, 15, and 25th, guys. Crypto or fiat withdrawals, optional bi-weekly payout. So guys, this is not a financial advice. Let me remind you. So always do your own research, guys. Okay? So we are in featuring. We are only reviewing this platform, guys. I'm not saying that you need to go through this. So always do your own research, guys. Okay? So trade a get salary. Okay? ATS funded trades receive a fixed monthly retainer independent from profits, performance, or temporary drawn outs. Trade professionally with zero financial pressure, guys. Okay? So this is the example of their challenge. Earn reward for your performance, guys. Stay connected with us. They have a Discord channel and Twitter base account, guys. Okay, they also have the testimonials about this, their opinion about this ATS funded, guys. Okay, so let's start and get funded here. You will see their plans here. You can pay with crypto or with card, guys. Just click this one and then just scan the QR code and copy this address. You can choose USDC, USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana, guys. I also have portfolio here. The step to portfolio 50K challenge, guys. Okay, from phase 1. You can view your stat right here. Okay, and I'm just gonna wait for my 5th day and get my payout, guys. So 50K portfolio right there, guys. They also have the ATS funded spot platform. Okay, you will see here that they have all the cryptocurrencies that you are looking for, guys. Okay, they have your favorite stocks, gold, and indices. Okay, they also have the gold, guys. So XAUTC, but right now the gold has takedown of negative 2.45%, but you can also search some crypto that has a green light, guys. No? So 1.58 with this BCH to USDT, and Doggy USDT 1%, 1 plus 1.03%, guys. Okay, so this is the ATS funded. Also on the account, you can see your wallet, guys. Okay, dashboard, challenge, payment history, and referrals. Okay, so your referral can be copied and shared to your friends. Okay, so this is the discount codes if you have any discount code, and click the link on my description down below to get one, guys. Okay, so dashboard, challenge, payment history, and They also have the sound effect here, guys. Okay. So how it works, what is prop trading, guys? In the past, proprietary trading was limited to banks and large financial institutions using their own capital generate returns. ATS Funded introduces a modern model by providing virtual trading capital, letting you trade without risking your own funds while earning real payout based on your performance. So no capital risk, access large accounts, safe learning and environment. They have an evaluation here. Step 1, choose your starting capital. Step 2, earn as funded trader. Step 3, and receive your payout. Okay, guys? So, this is the ATPS platform, guys. Okay? You can trade here on your portfolio. Leaderboard also available here, guys. The challenges. Okay? So, this is the current challenges from 10K to 100K. They have 10K to 200K, guys. Okay? Referrals and discoveries available. Okay? So, fast payout under 60 minutes and 24/7 customer support, 160 plus supported currency. So guys, it also has a multi-asset trading environment. ATS provides full professional ecosystem with access to forex, crypto indices, commodities, stocks, and ETFs within a single institutional grade trading environment designed for deverized and scalable trading strategy, guys. So again, if you have more question about this platform, guys, feel free to comment down below and subscribe to my channel. So again, guys, bye-bye.